Hi! Face reveal because I wanted to play with slime. I got this at the mall today, and I have two other ones, but one of them is holding up my phone right now. So yeah, I have this. Don't mind if you hear like barking or anything. It's my Aunt Jessie's dogs. I mostly record at her house. Anyway, so the slime is pink and it has jelly cubes in it. If you want, come here. I want you to be in my YouTube video. Come here. Jump up. Come on. Jump up here. Come here. This is Iffy Dog. I love Iffy Dog. Iffy Dog's my favorite. And this is Tiny Lynn. Anyway, off subject. And we went to the mall and I got 3 pairs of shoes from Journeys. I got 2 outfits from Justice. And I might do a fashion show with that later. Yeah, but I'd have to record it on like my app. Shh, Hazel. I'm recording a video. Come here, Hazel. Come here. Anyway, so let's get right into slime. So yeah. I'm gonna move this closer to the noise, to the slime, so you can hear it better. I don't know if you can hear any of this. Anyway, yeah, I might do a fashion show video, but I'd have to like record it on my phone and then pause it because on my phone, I can pause. Ooh, that sounds so good. I can like pause stuff while in the middle of filming. That's what I had to do with my first Rat-a-tat video. This is only my second YouTube video, and I know I'm doing a face reveal kind of early, but you know what? Why not? And anyway, I'm gonna try and make a unicorn poop. Okay. If you don't, come on. Do you want to be part of my slime video? Come here. You could be part of my slime review. Tiny Lynn. I said Iffy Dog could be a part of my slime review. Come on. So Iffy Dog really likes slime too. She always loves watching me play with slime. She loves sniffing slime, and Tiny Lynn loves attacking Iffy while she's doing slime reviews with me. Yeah. Yeah, later I'll do a fashion show, and I'll probably have like, hopefully my Aunt Jessie can film it while I'm like, walking down the hallway with it, and I'll like model my shoes. I'll do the outfit first, wearing this choker that I absolutely adore. Yeah, and then I'm not gonna tell you until until fashion show. But anyway, I'm going to go and upload this video. My videos are kind of short, but yeah. Bye.